Patience is a virtue in Modena. Like superb Parmigiano Reggiano, great Aceto Balsamico takes time. The minimum maturation time is 60 days, and only when matured for more than 3 years can the finished product boast aged classification. It takes time for wine grapes to transform into the dark, suave, and silky Aceto Balsamico di Modena, a condiment and cooking ingredient now prized worldwide. As with fine wine, production begins in the vineyards, with the harvest of plump, sun-ripened clusters. Regulations permit the use of 7 local grape varieties, but the red Lambrusco and Sangiovese and the golden Trebbiano are the most important. The grapes are pressed, then the sweet juice, known as must, is cooked for hours to reduce it down to 1/3 of its original volume. This concentrated must is rich, dark, and syrup-like, with aromas of plum jam and tamarind. Each producer blends the cooked or concentrated must with carefully selected wine vinegar in proportions that will achieve the producer's signature taste. The blend is then put to age in various types of barrels, depending on each producer's distinct style. Precious woods are required, such as chestnut, oak, mulberry, and juniper. The barrels rest shoulder to shoulder in the acetaya, or vinegar aging room, usually in a ventilated attic which is exposed to the region's hot, humid summers and frigid winters. Aceto Balsamico needs oxygen to mature, so the barrels are partially open to the air but protected by cheesecloth. Every producer has his or her own secret aging techniques, but the minimum time required is 2 months. At the end of the maturation period, analytic and organoleptic tests are carried out by a group of expert technicians and tasters. These tests must be successful for the product to be certified as Balsamic Vinegar of Modena. After at least 3 years in barrels, the Aceto Balsamico di Modena has earned the rights to the term invecchiato, or aged. This extra mature product has a delightfully spicy aroma, a complex and compelling perfume imparted by time.